technology. It's a world first, not just for Pioneer Electronics, but for anyone in the aftermarket industry.
Let's have a bit of a chat about how the head unit actually integrates into the rest of the car. How do we get to use the physical controls that the vehicle already offers? And will I be able to actually use all of my custom air conditioning controls and starting and stopping and turning on recirculation, things like that?
Yeah, look, absolutely. Basically, most modern vehicles now run a system through the vehicle called CAN bus. It's a way of basically transmitting information around the vehicle for different functions of the vehicle with minimal cabling. To do that, you need an interface called a CAN bus interface, which will allow you to put aftermarket units into the vehicle and still retain functionality like climate display. So here, if I utilise the onboard dual climate system, increase the fan speed, you'll see that the screen will appear, and as I change it, I can do it for face vents, also feet, demisting. I can take the sync control off and change each of my climates independently. The other side here, I can set my demister on, and it allows the factory onboard display or information to be displayed on an aftermarket unit, and it will also allow me to do volume control for audio as well as track control, so I can scroll through the artist's track.
So just to be clear, with the when we were showing the air conditioning system before, that wasn't Android Auto, that was actually Pioneer's unit displaying that itself.
Yeah, it's a CAN bus interface that we run with Pioneer unit, and that will allow that factory display to be utilised on an aftermarket unit. And we work closely with the engineers that design these products, so that way we can get as a seamless interaction or interface between an aftermarket product and a factory display setting.
You also get things like remote or reverse camera input with the Pioneer unit?
Yeah, correct. We've got dual camera inputs on this product. So when I switch the vehicle into reverse, that will bring up my reverse camera here, and I can see, obviously, as I'm reversing, which is a key safety factor for any screen nowadays that's being added to a vehicle.